ceramic coat your car? Well, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're gonna go over all the tools and products you need to ceramic coat any vehicle. Now, what is ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is a new and advanced protection for any car, truck, motorcycle, RV, and also boat and marine watercraft. It protects any type of vehicle from water spots, UV solar rays, stains, and it helps minimize swirls and scratches on the vehicle. Now, ceramic coating is a great technology for protecting your vehicle, and today we're gonna go over all the products and the tools that you need to get the job done and achieve professional results on your ceramic coating job. So the first thing you wanna do is select your ceramic coating. So I like to use the Evolution ceramic coating. I've been detailing for over 25 years, and this is an amazing coating to use on any type of vehicle. It's easy application, it gives a high gloss shine, and it gives durable protection. Those are the three factors that I love to use when selecting a ceramic coating. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this on the vehicle today, but before we apply the ceramic coating, we need to make sure the vehicle is prepped so we get the best results and the best longevity from our application. So the first thing you wanna do to prep your vehicle is you wanna wash the vehicle. So if you have a car, a truck, a motorcycle, any type of vehicle, make sure it's washed. Want to use a great shampoo and some great washing tools to clean all the dirt off the vehicle. My preference to wash is the Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash. This is an SiO2 based shampoo designed to prep and maintain 4 ceramic coatings. So if you use these together, you're gonna get great results. We're gonna use these to wash and apply the ceramic coating to the vehicle. Now, before you apply the ceramic coating, you need to make sure that the surface is clean and free of defects. You're gonna wanna use a clay bar to go ahead and clean the surface first. So clay bar, all the glass, the paint, the wheels, any type of surface you're gonna apply the ceramic coating to. And then if you're applying it to paint, you wanna make sure that the paint is free of defects as much as possible. So if your car has heavy defects, if it's older, you're gonna wanna use the Extreme Cutting Compound. That's gonna go ahead and remove heavy scratches. If you have a moderate vehicle with moderate damage, you're gonna wanna use the SWIRL, Scratch and Swirl Remover from Masterson's Car Care. This is a great swirl remover polish that will remove all the scratches and swirls from the vehicle. If your car is newer and has light defects or light oxidation, you can go ahead and use the Clarity Final Polish to clean and restore the paint back to factory condition. Now, you also want to use a great applicator pad to apply the ceramic coating, and you want to choose some good quality towels. We're going to use our Midnight Edgeless towels. These have no edge, they're laser cut, and they're great for applying ceramic coatings. So let's go hop on this vehicle and let's show you guys how to apply ceramic coating. So now let's show you guys how to apply the ceramic coating. Now in the shop today, we got this 2024 Corvette. Beautiful car. We've actually already ceramic coated the whole car, and I left one fender undone to show you guys how to apply the ceramic coating. So first thing we want to do is grab our applicator pad and shake up our ceramic coating. And we're going to take the Evolution ceramic coating and we're going to spray it on the applicator pad just like that. Okay. Now, after we got that done, let's go to the fender and we're going to apply the ceramic coating. Now, you want to apply it in lines to the fender itself. Okay. And you want to just give a nice spread on the surface and make sure you got nice coverage. Now, this is after we've polished, after we've washed and cleaned the whole vehicle, and this is our last area that we're gonna be applying the ceramic coating to. Now, once it's spread on the surface, we're just gonna let it dry for about 10 to 20 seconds while it bonds to the surface. Now, ceramic uses SiO2 technology. So what that does is that bonds to the surface and gives super durable protection that's gonna last for 1 to 2 years. And this is gonna work on headlights, glass, painted surfaces, wheels, exhaust tips. It's gonna work on the whole vehicle to make sure that it stays looking good. So come in close and you'll notice that the ceramic coating has already started to bond to the paint, dry, and it looks like what we like to call rainbow. You get some rainbow effects on the light. So now that it's bonded to the surface, we're gonna take our microfiber towel. I'm gonna use an edgeless towel. We're gonna fold it in 4s. And we're just gonna go ahead and buff off the ceramic coating. Now this is just removing any excess that's on the vehicle. And look how it just bonded to the surface right there. Already, the surface feels so smooth and you can actually feel the coating on there, which is incredible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just buff off the rest of the vehicle. And we're getting that nice high gloss shine, man. Look at that. There we go. And now we're done. It's that easy. Ceramic coating with the Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash and the Evolution Ceramic Coating is so easy. You just wash the car with the Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash and then use the Evolution Coating, and you're gonna get great results whether you're doing this at a professional shop or you're doing it at home. Now you guys know exactly how to ceramic coat your vehicle. If you guys wanna pick up any of the ceramic coating equipment, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com. When you want the best, choose the Evolution Ceramic Coating. Now I'm Greg from Mastersons. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.